Very important question, very important question. That's how do you deal with missing data in a data set? How do you deal missing data in a data set? So there are several ways to deal with missing data in a data sets. What they are? So first is removing missing data. If the amount of missing data is small and random, you can simply remove the rows or columns with missing values. However, this approach can lead to loss of valuable information. Second, imputation. Imputation involves filling in missing values with estimated values. Common imputation techniques include using the mean, median, or mode of the column to fill in missing values. More advanced techniques such as k-nearest neighbors KNN or predictive modeling can also be used for imputation. Okay, forward or backward filling. In cases where missing values occur in a time series data sets, you can fill the missing values with the most recent or next valid observation. Okay, use of algorithm the support missing values. Okay, some machine learning algorithms such as what they are such as tree based models can handle missing values internally. In such cases you don't need to explicitly impute or remove missing values. The choice of method, it depends on the nature of the missing data and the specific requirements of the analysis. It's important to carefully consider the implication or each approach and choose the one that best suits your needs. Okay, so if you really like this video and if you really like this content, then please go and click on like button. And I'm providing daily short content for all of you. And one more thing, we are going to start a new batch on data science using Python from absolutely zero, from absolutely scratch, and the batch will start from 16th of Feb. This is our new batch. Okay, so students who are really interested, they can join our that batch, and the training will be run in both mode, online and offline. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye, take care.